Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the two codes to check if your Vivo Y200 is real or fake. Now for the first code, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now from here, just dial *#06#. Now as you can see, these are the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they're both the same. Now for the second code, just dial *#09#. Now from here, as you can see, these are the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. And also, as you can see, these are the RAM and ROM sizes of your smartphone. Now from here, just make sure that the numbers which are given on your smartphone screen are identical with your smartphone specifications. And these were the two codes to check if your Vivo Y200 is real or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.